So for number 16, they gave you a function, f of x equals x cubed plus 1, and then they gave you the domain, which is all the x values. They gave you -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And you're asked to find the range, which means you're supposed to take each of these numbers and plug it in. So if I take them one at a time and I plug them in, if I plug in a -2, I'm supposed to do -2 to the third power and then add 1. Now when you do something to the third power, you're going to multiply it by itself 3 different times. So you're going to have -2 times -2, which is +4, times another -2 makes -8. But if you have -8 and you add 1, you end up at -7. We do the same thing for each number, so we plug in a -1. If you plug in a -1, you do -1 times -1 is 1, times another -1 is now -1. If you add 1 to that, you get 0. Plug in a 0, you're going to end up with 0 plus 1 is 1. Plug in a +1, you'll get 1 plus 1 is 2. Plug in a +2, you'll get 8 plus 1 is 9. So then to list the actual range, you just have to have the numbers from least to greatest. And in this case, they already are, which usually doesn't happen, but right here, they're already from least to greatest. So -7, 0, 1, 2, and 9. That set of numbers is our range.